Welcome back to the coolest show in town. It's no secret that here in the 757, we love the water, whether it's pools, beaches, boats, we love it. But not everybody is fortunate enough to own a boat that they can just go on whenever they want, right? Well, our next guest can solve that problem just like that. Please join me in welcoming Taj'a and Martell Cuffee from Royal Breeze Boat Charters.
Yes.
Hey guys.
Doing great. Thank you for allowing us to have this, bringing us on the show. I'm excited.
Yes.
We're excited.
Of course. Thank you guys for coming. Now, what made you decide to start doing boat tours in this area?
It's something to bring, especially this Hampton Roads area. We saw the market, saw that's not there. And Virginia Beach is a great tour location. It was like, hey, why not come in and offer something that's really exciting to the Hampton Roads area? So we're excited to bring that. Again, young, all ages, bring his kids, family. It's awesome. Got this feel for the water. Again, we're known for the beach, right? We're Virginia Beach, so why not?
Exactly,
so it's a great opportunity to bring it here to Hampton Roads area.
Yeah, and we are surrounded by water here, and I cannot count how many times I've looked at a friend or at Keith and gone, we need to make friends with more people who have boats.
They have boats.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Well, now talking about the tours, you have some family-friendly tours. Can you just walk me through and tell me a little bit more what is that about?
So absolutely. So we offer a family-friendly tour. We do a Royal Breeze Adventure Tour, which would take you along the Waterside District. It got you to go sightseeing. You got the Nauticus there on the pier, as you've seen that. We're bringing the family out there to a good time. You can even get a chance to dock. So we have the poolside, waterside, and the family can embark and walk along the waterside. You can walk along, do anything for family-wise, and come back on the boat, and they will continue on the cruise.
I love
Very
that.
exciting. Very
Such
exciting.
a different places in the Hampton Road area. I didn't know that.
And y'all don't just have those family-friendly tours,
Right.
Taj'a. You also have some adult
Okay.
adult type tours too.
That's the
do.
ones that I want to
Let's-
hear the details.
Taj'a, can you tell us more about
Yeah,
those?
so basically we have a mimosa tour, and that is considered, you can do 1 hour or 2 hours, or how long as you want. But basically you're being served mimosas while you go out on the boat and have fun, listen to music, and have a great time.
I love that.
Chloe, I need you to get here so I can go on a mimosa tour.
Now, do you guys also do like a parties, like if I want to celebrate an anniversary and a birthday celebration?
So yeah, so we have packages for birthday celebrations. We actually have anniversary date night, actually Monday through Thursday. We can do a tour, and those are pretty much like 6 to 8 or 8 to 10 at night. So that way you can get rid of the
you
kids.
have to reserve in advance.
Exactly.
Those,
Yes.
Get rid of the kids.
Look,
Yep.
we're looking one of the images right there. Look at how cool.
That's Mimosa Tour.
Yes,
right
that's
there.
the mimosa
Love
tour.
it.
Okay,
That
we'll
looks
see
like
it.
a party.
That's like a party.
Yes, that was definitely a party.
Oh,
That one right there, they actually got to look at the fireworks just in
On
time.
the 4th of July
Yeah,
weekend.
actually after. So that was like a perfect time,
nice.
yes.
That's
Yes.
really cool.
I
And
love it.
speaking of family, you all are the perfect people to take care of other people's families. Quickly tell our viewers how long y'all have been together and how y'all met.
Oh my goodness!
You
So
wanna take this? I
we
wanna hear
recently,
this.
I just re-proposed to my wife here. We've been together 16 years in dating, but 13 years married. So clap it up.
Nice.
We're approaching our anniversary next month.
Yes.
Good
And
for you
so
guys.
yeah, high school sweethearts. And we had a great opportunity to meet Ashley. We are actually neighbors. And just to come up here, it's like a family.
Nice.
Many of you all come to this platform just like a family, and just to grow together. So me and my wife, we're excited to continue to bring opportunity to the community. So
I
we're
love
excited.
it. And
We're
I love
excited.
to see you guys that you know from so long and you believe in that love, and now you're taking care of the neighbors and family, and what you're doing is great.
Definitely.
Absolutely.
So yeah, so for now that people want more information about these amazing tours, where they can find more
Oh
information.
yes, Facebook and Instagram, Royal Breeze Boat Charters.
Okay.
And then Instagram is the same name, so I keep it familiar. So Royal Breeze, you see it on the screen right there. Royal Breeze _ Boat Charters. It's user friendly. Once you click that
Nice.
link, all the packages will pop up to you.
So for all of you guys there, if you want to do a romantic dinner in the boat, this is the guy to help you guys.
Oh, you see, you got it.
Well, my birthday is in October. Someone wants to. Just kidding. Just kidding. Well, thank you so much for coming
Absolutely.
and
Thank
for
you.
being with us and for
Thank you
sharing
so
with
much.
us.
Thank you.